Hey y'all, it's vesenialindsey, known as Vest. I am here with another awesome Kickstarter. If you don't know who I am, you can definitely check down below. I work on YouTube, Twitch, and I also make my comical celestial posts. But less of me and more about this Kickstarter. This Kickstarter is actually called Pulsetober, DC versus Marvel. Pulsetober is a challenge that I do with my community. We take our mascot Pulsey and turn him into amazing, wonderful things, from ghouls to princesses, but this time we're focusing on your favorite superheroes. So with this Kickstarter, I'm focusing on printing the book, something similar to this one. This is actually our 2019 and 2020 book. It's a little deluxe art book that I've done with all the hand pieces that I've created. The book is going to look similar to this and have the same thickness, maybe a little bit more, because I am doing exclusive pieces that the internet has not seen yet. So definitely, if you're interested, take a look at what we have. Definitely have rewards for you guys. A lot of acrylic charms to stickers to posters to everything that makes a Kickstarter what it is. On top of that, we do have stretch goals to beef up those rewards. And I'm also collaborating with Burning Spear Comics, who right now is having a Kickstarter called Journey to Ikoa. I'm going to be drawing Pulsey along with their character, and that will be also another little reward for you guys to make everything so special. I want to thank you guys in advance for taking a look at this Kickstarter, and definitely thank you in advance for helping with this project, because without you guys, this will be absolutely a thought and not reality. So thank you again.